This is Leycon from Other Footage Podcast. As you already know how we do it here, we sparks idea that build your skills, your strength, and your spirit. So whether you are grinding in tech, lifting life's heavier load, this is your space. So please and please, this podcast is owned by Leycontech Engineering. Don't forget to check our socials. We are on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram and TikTok. Please kindly give us a follow. And if you want to do a do-it-yourself project on anything about electrical, you can go for our YouTube page. You will meet it there. But today we want to talk about basic tools of an electrician. All tools an electrician need to get before you can actually start the work. Whether you already have a brother or a sister or your own children that want to get into the trade, these are the tools you are going to need before even getting like touching the wire or anything. These are the tools, and listen attentively as I list them. Number one is pen tester. Yeah, pen tester. What did I mean by pen tester? This is what is called a pen tester. It helps you to discover if there is a current or voltage running through a wire. I can't go much into details about it, but for it to work, you need to put your hand here because you need to complete the circuit. There's already a neon bulb inside that shows you. But actually, this pen, unless there is a fault, it can't discover anything below 5 voltage or 10 voltage. It can't discover it. So unless there is an issue with the wire you are testing, pen tester cannot discover a voltage as low as 5 volts. That is number one things you need to know about. And number two on our list is plier. As you already know, there is a different set of plier, but actually the type of a plier an electrician needs for himself, this is it. The one that give you this one we call it multi-purpose plier, because this right here you can use it to lose a nut, that's a bolt or something. This right here, this is a cutter. You can use this to cut, and this is the grip. You can use this for anything, to hold something. You can use it to grip. This is the cutter here. It cuts anything through. Don't let me cut my pen tester, please. And the number 3 on our list is screwdriver. You already know what is screwdriver, or you don't probably know. This is a set of screwdriver. It comes in different size. This is a star big mouth. This is a star small mouth. This is a star medium mouth. Actually, a screwdriver comes in sets. So, and I will advise you, if it is your children or your brothers or your sister that is going into the trade, make sure you get a complete set of screwdriver, because that will really help them a lot. So, number 4 on our list is a multimeter. Yeah, a multimeter. This is what we call a multimeter. This is actually a clamp meter. What we mean by a meter is that it gives you the accurate numbers of current passing through wire. It gives you the accurate number of a voltage passing through wire. It helps you to measure the watt and so on, the ohms, the continuity, and so on. And all these are what is needed in an electrical aspect. So this is a multimeter actually, and it is a clamp one. This clamp, it works for alternating current. When you want to check an alternating wire, and you can just clamp into it and just check your readings. So when I put it here, you can see the number. I open it, I check. This is it. This is the voltage. Whenever you want to check an alternating voltage, this is it. This is direct voltage. If you want to check a direct voltage, I hope you can see the symbol right there. So if you want to check for a direct voltage, you just have to tune it to there. This right here that you can see like a signal, like a Wi-Fi signal, is actually known as continuity. And this down here is the ohms. We all know about ohms, right? The resistance. Mostly they deal, electronics mostly deal in that. And actually electricians have to deal with ohms also, whether you want to like check the resistance of a wire. And this meter actually can't work without it. You can see this one, like, is a digital one, so it's already like anytime any day is ready to start up. But I will advise you to get an extra battery, because this doesn't work alone, it works with a battery. So whenever you want to make use of it, I will advise you to get an extra battery. So the number 5 on our list is a PVC tape. What we mean by PVC tape is that maybe your wire is open and you need to join it back. You can't just touch a wire that is a naked wire will be electrocuted. So this PVC tape is unlike ordinary tape. It's not a masking tape or rubber tape or something. It's a PVC insulation tape. It protects a naked conductor from shock. So, and this is the work it does. So you don't joke with your PVC tape whenever you are as an electrician, especially when you are dealing with an open conductor. So gloves is the number 6 on our list. Gloves, yeah, because you might not be lucky sometimes. Maybe especially when you are dealing with an house that there is an earth leakage or something. So an electrician, you don't joke with the gloves. This is an industrial glove. It's not just anyhow glove. These gloves stop the flow of resistance of current to pass through you of completing a circuit. So as an electrician, you don't joke with the gloves. It's something that you need. Yeah, you need. You might not be using it often, especially when you from apprentice to journeyman, from journeyman to master. You will not be using it often. But no matter what, you need it because there will always be a need for it. So number 3 is an element. As you can see on my head right here, this is an element. This protects from a lot of things, especially for an apprentice that is not used to how things works in the field, that you are not used to how things actually work in the field and so on. This will help you a lot and protect you from a lot of danger on site. So number 8 on our list is jacket. Yeah, you can see that I actually removed my pen tester from there. Yeah, it serves is a multi-purpose. Apart from protecting you and showing your identity, it helps you in keeping and arranging your tools in one. So that is all for today. Whether you have a brother or anybody that is into electrician and needs to get these tools, you can DM me on how to get your tools anywhere in Nigeria. I will get it to you. Welcome to Hustler Footage once again. My name is Leycon, Olalekan, whatever you like, you can call it. Don't forget to give us a follow on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Love you. See you next time.